Hello everyone, Gecko here. It's nice to be driving along with my old friend Mr. T.
Gecko, I've got something amazing to show you today. I've been really busy creating a brand new ice cream factory.
Wow, that sounds so cool. Can we go and have a look?
Yeah, I've already got your friends, the mechanicals, there now, setting everything up for us.
What? You've left the mechanicals on their own? In an ice cream factory? Uh-oh, that spells trouble.
Let's hope there's no more mechanical mischief today.
Now that the factory's squeaky clean again, please can you show me around?
I think the best way for me to show you how my ice cream factory works, Gecko, is to make a brand new ice cream flavour. What do you think?
I think that sounds delicious.
But first, we need to put our protective clothes on.
Let's get ice cream making. First, Mr. T needs to make a special milk mix in this really big tank. He adds 5 bags of milk powder to some water. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. He gives it a stir with his big paddle to make sure it's mixing just fine. Then he adds sugar for sweetness and a few more secret ingredients. We're going to make a special Gecko ice cream. So Mr. T adds some bright green lime flavour. To make the mix into ice cream, you have to make it really, really cold so that it freezes. The mix gets moved from this big tank into the freezing machine.
So Gecko, come on, let's do it. Let's make some lovely ice cream for you.
But what are we going to make, Mr. T?
We're going to make a lovely Gecko's Green ice cream dream just for you. So first of all, Gecko, what we do is we get the machine and we open it there and we get lots of ice cream coming out. Yummy, yummy, yummy.
Wow, look at the ice cream all coming out.
Look at it swirling around, Gecko. It is absolutely delicious.
Ooh, look at the colour of that.
Gecko, look at this. It's a lovely lime green flavour just for you.
My favourite colour's green. Wow, there's loads in there.
Well, Gecko, you have got an appetite, haven't you? So, Gecko, first of all, on your lovely ice cream, we are going to put on some blue bubblegum sauce. And the second sauce that we're going to put on, Gecko, is going to be some lovely, lovely strawberry sauce. Wow. And then, after that, because it's a special green ice cream just for you, we are going to put lots of these lovely green crunch crystals all over. I'm sure you're going to enjoy this one, Gecko. And we're going to be healthy and put some lovely fruit on, which is some of these nice green kiwis.
Ooh, I love kiwi fruit.
Kiwi is the best. And always remember, kids, make sure you have plenty of fruit. There. Doesn't that look amazing, Gecko? And then we got some lovely, lovely geckos. Wow. We'll get some of these lovely spanner cookies Wow, look at them. We'll pop them in there. I think this is going to be amazing, this ice cream. So here we are then, Gecko. It's finally ready. Your masterpiece. Gecko's green ice cream dream.
Wow, thank you so much, Mr. T. That looks delicious. I tell you what, Mr. T, it doesn't get much better than this.
Absolutely, Gecko. I couldn't agree more.
Thanks very much to Mr. T for showing us around his amazing ice cream factory today. For now, it's cheerio from me and Mr. T. Bye!